guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have this whole Indian look going on. I either have this video already out, and if I do, I will leave a link to it up here, so definitely go check that out. It is my India's Independence Day inspired look. If I don't have this look out already, I will have it up soon, so stay tuned for that. But for this video, we're gonna go over my August IPSY, and you know I'm always excited for my IPSY, so let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the bag for August. Actually, I did see this bag online. When I saw it, I thought it was black. I don't know if they do have an option in black that they're sending some people, but this is green, more like a forest green, I believe, but it kind of goes really well with my look right now, so I'm kind of liking it. But I do love the design of it, and the zipper is gold. I love like a solid color and gold together, especially this color. It looks so pretty. So yeah, I love the feel of it. It kind of feels very leathery too. I do actually use my IPSY bags when I go out, especially when they look like this, but these bags are definitely useful, and you know I have so many of them because I get one with every IPSY. So yeah, so I love when they give me such cute bags. This is definitely something I can take out when I go out, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, it is green and gold, and it does say IPSY on this with gold. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. So this is the card that you get inside, and it says bear yourself. I guess a lot of the products will be things that make you look a little bit more natural. I don't know. I really don't know, but it does say bear yourself, and it does show all the products that I have in my bag. So the first thing I have is this Coco Cabana cream by Sol, and this cream, I did get this in my IPSY bag before. Actually, I got it at the IPSY event before, and I do like this cream. I actually do like their creams. It's very like moisturizing for sure. I think they're a pretty good brand, and they have some really good items. So it already smells so good. It smells like almost like a sugar cookie with some, I don't know, cinnamon. I don't know. It smells good. It really smells good. I don't know how to describe the smell, but it does smell very dessert-ish. So I'm just gonna take whatever's on this lid and put it on my hands. So that's a lot that was on the lid, but it is very moisturizing, and it does leave the hand looking nice and fresh. I already used up the one that I already got at the IPSY event, so I'm glad I got another one. But this is a 72-hour moisture magnet oil and water body cream, so that's pretty cool. 72 hours, yeah. Oh, see, it feels so nice and soft, but yeah, I like this. So next I have this Color Club nail polish, I'm assuming. Yes, it's nail polish, and let's see. Ooh, so I feel like green is the theme. It is this beautiful green color. Look how pretty that is. That is a pretty green. It's pretty dark. It'll be great for the fall. I can't believe we're already starting to get ready for the fall. Are we? It feels like it. I'm not ready. But yeah, this would be a great color for the fall. I do like it. So yeah, green seems to be the color for this IPSY, and on me too. Oh, another green item. This is the APTO Skincare Balancing Mask. This is by APTO Skincare, and it is the balancing mask with Chlorella and green tea. Let me just see what it says about this. So it says, this mask with antioxidant packed Chlorella, created for oily, acne-prone skin, which I feel like my skin now is starting to break out, but I am trying a new skincare, so I don't know if my skin is like acting out to kind of get used to it. I don't know, but I'm gonna give it a little bit more of a try. Draws out dirt and impurities while reducing the appearance of pores, hydrating and refreshing your complexion. So I feel like a lot of masks, they say they reduce your pores. I don't really feel like they do, but of course I'm definitely gonna give this a try, and I'm probably going to do it in videos because you know I love doing masks in my videos, and I haven't done a mask video in a while, but I do have another mask that I wanted to try for you guys. So either gonna be that first or this first, but they're both green, so we'll see who goes first. But yeah, I am excited to try this because I love getting masks. So just 2 more items in my bag. The next thing I have is this EYEKO London That's Where I Draw the Line waterproof eyeliner, and it is carbon black. So, ooh. I mean, it always starts off like this. I just hope it stays like this. I do like waterproof eyeliners. Those are my go-to. Right now, I just got one from LA Girl, and I'm actually liking it. It's also waterproof, but I think I've already used it in the video. If not, I will use it in my next video. But yeah, waterproof will be awesome. I can't wait to see if it's actually waterproof. Ooh. Ooh. I love it when it's like that. So yeah, I love getting eyeliners. I love getting masks. Let's see what else is left. I only have one more item. Alright, so the last item in my bag is this Estate Cosmetics Eye Shade in Pipe. It does have a peach color, or not color, peach drawing. This is actually a pretty good packaging, pretty cute. So that's what that looks like. So that is the color. It is like a coppery color right there. Let's give it a go. It is nice and creamy and highlighted. Ooh. Oh, I love when I get eyeshadows like this. Look at that. That is so pretty. That would have been nice for an inner corner for this look. So I got a lot of green stuff, and I got an eyeliner and this orange eyeshadow or copper color eyeshadow. Of course, this is not green, it's just in a greenish bottle. But I've used this before. I like it. It smells great. You will smell like some Christmas treat or cookies. I don't know. It smells familiar, but if anybody knows what it is, please leave a comment on what this smells like. It smells sugary and not cinnamony, but ginger-like maybe. I don't know. But let me know if you know this and what that smells like to you. Let me know. I can't wait to use this. This is so pretty, but it is definitely fall. This also feels very fall to me. I will try this in one of my videos, so you can stay tuned for that to see what it's going to do for my skin, or if it does anything like pore minimizing. But either ways, that concludes my video. That's everything. The bag is beautiful. I will definitely be using this in the fall when I go out with some cute pair of blue jeans, dark blue jeans, and a nice top, maybe a black top, ooh, or something else. This will go great with some black boots or even brown boots. Oh yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. I love everything that I got. Leave a comment below which one of these items you like the most, and if you are excited for me to try this for a video. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!